Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Alois Nikodym.
And I'm Heather Wright.
And we are instructors at Kikkawa College Massage Therapy School. And we would like to share a series of treatment techniques and assessment techniques that we acquired over the years. The next technique that we will demonstrate is stretch for quadratus lumborum, which is a very trunky, difficult muscle in our lower back and very difficult to stretch. I believe that the sideline position is the most appropriate for this muscle. Heather, can you please lie down on your side with your face facing the room and your head on this end?
Okay.
Okay. And if you can come a little bit closer towards me. Okay. So I'm going to make sure that the client doesn't fall off. So I'm going to kind of stabilize the side of my hip against hers, and I'm going to take her upper leg and slowly let it descend. Okay. Then I'm going to stabilize the pelvis. Then I will ask my client to reach over her head. Can you reach over your head with your arm? Perfect. I'm going to grab the shoulder blade. I'm going to grab the pelvis. And now using my own body weight, I'm going to spread the two bones apart and hold it. Are you okay?
Yep.
Now, this type of stretch will stretch simultaneously the quadratus lumborum, the intercostal muscles, quite possibly the latissimus dorsi as well. And the client will probably feel it wherever the tension is. And we hold this for about 30 seconds. Another stretch that is effective for the quadratus lumborum is in the supine position. Heather, can you lie down on your back? This time I'm going to take both of her legs and I'm going to flex them fully, and I'm going to push her away from me until we get to the end field. Then I'm going to ask for her hand for double grip. Can you grip my forearm? I'm going to take her pelvis and push it away from me, but at the same time I'm going to spin and turn her torso towards me. Okay. Again, this is going to stretch a number of different muscles besides quadratus lumborum, like the obliques and the intercostals. But this is another stretch that may work for these specific low back muscles. Okay, and thank you very much. See you next time.